Seafood Village here in 01 Mall for Vloggers Time. Let's watch this. It's nice.
Oh. Look at that.
Yummy. Inshallah. Saucy taste. What's the rice? Okay, what cheese? Ano po yan, ma'am? Creamy butter sauce. Creamy butter sauce. Ito creamy butter sauce, ma'am. Yan po yung isa sa pinakamasarap na sauce dito sa seafood. Yes po, ma'am.
Ito ate, spicy.
Yan po eh, Alapina garlic sauce. Isa rin po yan sa aking bestseller sauce. This one really looks so yummy. What? This is good for 4 persons.
How much, ma'am?
150.
Wow, 150 dampa fees.
You like?
Bet. Lighter ng I Love Qatar.
What's the taste?
Sweet and spicy.
What's the this one or this one?
Mas mura pa sa'yo.
Sweet and spicy. That one.
Loyal lighter.
It's so delicious. Mouth-watering. Sulit.
10 years.
Hello! We are here at Seafood Dampa. The food is amazing. Very nice, very delicious.
Kaya si Khalifa.
Hi guys! Visit Dampa Seafood Village here at 01 Mall to enjoy their Dampa feast worth 150 riyals.
Yeah.
And we recommend the spicy, what's
Jalapeno garlic sauce.
jalapeno garlic sauce and creamy butter sauce. They're perfect.
Where?
Especially for the weather.
Hey, Habiba!
Habiba!
Hello!
Say something.
Food was very delicious.
That's your cord.
Yes.
The best way to find indoor.
Ako hindi lang kasi.
Only fantastic. Shy type
Are you
yan.
one manager?
Wala lang.
Hi, say hi!
Hi, it's so nice. Really delicious.
Thank you!
Yes, super delicious. I like this, especially the spicy and sweetness of this jalapeno.
Kaya kapag nananalo sa mga content,
Subscribe. Channel Jack Channel by Kasal.
Bakit ako hindi ba mananalo?